What's up, guys? Alex Coleman, Shattenkirk Toyota, Quincy, Illinois, bringing you another Tech Tip Thursday. So on today's episode, I'm going to talk about Apple CarPlay and how to operate it. Let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your Apple cord and then plug it in the USB that is below the radio, and then you're going to take the other end and then plug it in your phone, obviously, and then it's going to pop up on the screen if you want to not enable it once, or always enable it. So if this is your car that you bought, you're going to hit always, but since I'm just doing once, I'm just going to tap once, and then I'm going to unlock my phone, and then it's going to pop up CarPlay. So as you can see here, it's showing my screen for my maps, but you can also go here and then you can do your phone, do your texting. Don't pay attention to that 22 missed calls and voicemails. And then you can scroll through to see your different apps, so like Spotify, Waze, Pandora, things like that. Super simple. If you want to do a command, so you just press and hold, get directions to Maya Restaurant, Quincy, Illinois.
Getting directions to my Mexican restaurant.
Super simple. You just press and hold your voice command button until Siri pops on, and then tell her what you want to do, whether you want to text somebody, get directions, things like that. So if I wanted to, I can hit go, and then it'll tell me
to my Mexican restaurant. Head west on Broadway Street.
So that'll tell me where, how long it's going to take me, and what time I'll get there. I hope this gave you guys a good overview of how to use the Apple CarPlay in your new Toyota. It's available on Camry, Corolla, Tundra, Sienna, Sequoia, and 2020 Highlander. If you have any questions regarding how to use it, please give me a call, and I will do a Android Auto video coming up as well. So thanks for watching this Tech Tip Thursday, and as always, I'm Alex Coleman, Shattenkirk Toyota, Quincy, Illinois. Thanks, guys.